Hello guys, welcome to Tech Media. On this video I'm going to show you how to solve screen overlay detection on any mobile device. So it usually occurs when you want to grant permission to some apps. It usually pops up. So let me show you. I go to my apps. Now I want to disable the permission given to my Asphalt Nitro. I want to try doing it. I said screen overlay detected. I want to try opening the settings. I've done everything I need to do, but still yet it refuses. Now the easiest way to solve this problem is by having called the install button unlock. I'm going to show you the app right now. So this is the app, install button unlock. Now when you install this app into your phone, you can get it from the Google Play Store. After installing the app into your phone, you turn it on. Now after turning it on, you click the button right on top over here. After clicking the button to ask you for permission accessibility, so you go to install button unlock and grant it the permission. So yes, I'm doing done. Then after that, you go back to your settings, and as you can see the unlock is showing right before the buttons. So you click on it, but it's still saying wait. It's still saying wait. Go back in the setting. Go back to your settings. Go back to your apps. Go back to Asphalt Nitro. Go back to your permission. Now you can see it's unlocked. Everything is unlocked. So now you can switch it on and off as you wish. So this is just the simple technique. All you need to do is to install the button unlock. There it is, button unlock, and your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe, share. Thank you.